Hello everyone, welcome to Monday's maths lesson, and today we're going to be looking at using money and giving change. Now when you use money, remember the number on the coin is just the number, so don't worry about the p's, don't let them distract you or anything like that. Just look at the numbers, and that's the easiest way to do coins. Okay, I'm going to share with you first what we're actually going to do today. Okay, so this is my share button. Right, so today, if you've got any money around your house or in your money box or in mummy's purse, you might want to have a look at the coins, especially 1p's, 2p's, 5p's, 10p's and 20p's. If you've got a pile of those, they might help you. If you're in school, your teacher will give you some. The first thing I'd like you to do is to have a look at this ICT game here. It's called Coin Exchanger. Have a little look at that first. Pause the video now while you do that. Okay, welcome back. Right, the next thing I'd like you to do, in your book, can you write 20p in quite big letters and put a little bubble around it? Oh, if I do it on my board, it will look like this. Okay, can you do that now? Okay, you see my board there? And then if you put some little arrows like this. I've done 6 arrows there. Right. Can you think of different ways using your coins that you could make 20p? I'll give you a clue. I could have a 10p and, little hands, a 10p. That would make 20p. Can you think of some different ways? You might try 6 ways or 8 ways. Have a go now. Pause the video while you do that. Okay, how did you get on? Okay, very, very good. Right, now we're going to move on to what else we're going to do today. I'm going to share with you now a PowerPoint. Okay, let me go back to the beginning. Sorry. So we're going to find the total prices and work out change. Now that's 2 jobs to do today. So a total price is how much altogether, and the change is what you've got left. So remember, when you pay for something, you're giving your money away, like a takeaway. And when you've got your change, it's how much you've got left in your hand. Right, so my shop is called Toys R Us and we're open. So come and take a look inside. I've got a little bike and a castle, and they've got some prices on them. Now we need to work out how much it will cost all together. So if I write down my 12p and 23p. Now to do this, I could use a number square. Okay, so let me show you my number square. I've got that ready. Here we go. Here's my number square. So I've got my 12p, my 12, and I can add on 23. Now the best way to do this, if I partition 20 and 3, I'm going to leave 12 as it is. So I've got a 20p and 3p. Okay, I know there's no coins that are 3p. 3p is a 2 and a 1. Remember that. I've got my 23. So here's my 12 in the middle, and I can add on 10, 20, 1, 2, 3. What's my answer? Yes, well done, 35. And because it's money, I'm going to put my P on the end. Do you see how I've done that? Let me stop my share. I left my 12 as it was. I partitioned my 23. and then I added 20. So I did 10, 20, and then 3 little ones, and I got to 35. I could have done it the other way around. I could have left the 23 and partitioned the 12, but I did mine that way round. But that would be completely up to you, okay? So let's see what question is next. So how much will it cost all together? That's not giving change, that's all together. So you've got two numbers there. So we've got 34p, because it's money, remember, and 25p. Okay, there they are on my board. Now what are we going to do first? Have a think. That's right. We're going to partition the 20 and the 5. We've done lots of work on partitioning 25, 20 and 5. Okay, and then we can add it to the 34. Add it on to 34. So here's my 34 right in the middle here. You see that there? You see that? 34 right there. And we're going to add on 25. 10, 20, and 5 little ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my answer is 59. Well done, 59. So I can write that on my answer here, 59p. You see that? I've written it just there. So I started with 34, added on my 20, so 10, 20, and then 5 little ones, and I got to 59. Is that okay? I think we've done those before, so you should actually be okay with those. Okay, let's see what the next question says. 42 and 36. 42 and 36. Could you have a go on your whiteboard or in your book now? Write the question down, pause the video whilst you work that out. Mrs. Barton will work it out as well at the same time. 42 and 36. I'm going to leave 42 as it is. Partition my 30 and 6. Have a go yourself. I shall pop up the 100 square if that helps you. So I'm going to start off with 42. There it is. Oops, there's 42. I'm going to add on 36. 10, 20, 30. That enough? No, 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you get that answer right? 78p. So I can pop that on the end here. 78p. Let's clear that off. Oops. Okay, did you get that one right? Remember, it's just numbers. Don't worry about the p's unless it's asking you specifically for the coins. Okay, right, let's see what question is next. Right, I think we're going to do some work with change now. So, John paid with a 50p. Can you see that there? And we know he spent 35 because we've already worked that one out. So we've got to work out how much change he's going to have. So he started off with 50 and he spent 35. So he's given away 35. So we've started with 50. Always look for the clues. That's what we've started with. And we've given away 35. So it's a takeaway. 35p. We've given that away. Can you see that? So on my 100 square, I know I'm going to have to start at 50 this time. And it's a takeaway. Here's my 50. Can you see that there? See if I can draw it on again. Here's my 50. That's what I've started with. And I've given away, because I've spent it in the shop, 35. So it's a takeaway. I'm giving away. So it's got to be less. So because it's takeaway, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the answer is 15. You can work that out with coins as well. If you've got lots of coins, sort out 50p from different coins, ask mum or dad or your teacher to help you, and see if you can take away 35. See how much you've got left. Okay, have a try. Have a try of that. All right. So the answer for this question is 15p. All right, you see that there? Just popped it at the side. Right, let's have a try of one more. Right, this time he started with £1. Can you see £1 in the purse there? And he's spending 59. Now I know £1 is the same as 100 pennies. Okay, sorry I didn't share that with you, did I? Sorry guys. Okay, so here's his pound in the purse. He's spending 59p, and I know £1 is 100 pennies. So this time I can either put £1 or I can put 100. Take away 59p. Now I know 59 is the same as 50 and 9. Do you see how I've partitioned it there? Okay, so I've got my 100, take away 59. I've partitioned it here. So I've got 100, take away 59. So if I pop my 100 square back up, here's my 100 at the bottom. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 9 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My answer is 41. So take away, you're giving it away. Okay, remember that each time. I think we're almost at the end of my PowerPoint. Let's just have a look. Okay, so this is just to show you, this is how we partition the numbers. This one is partitioned both of them, but you don't have to, you can just do one. And then we're giving change. So think about where you're starting from. Okay, a little bit of work to share with you so you can see what we're doing today. This is one of the easier sheets. So if you look here, the coin is what you're starting with, and this is how much you've spent. So this is a takeaway, remember, this is what you're spending. Look in the title, it says change. Can you see that there? That's an easier sheet if you want to start with that one. Or you might want to go straight for a more tricky one. This one's a little bit more hard. So you're starting with 50p, and this is what you're spending. So this space here gives you a little space to write down the question. You don't have to print the sheet out. You could just write the questions straight into your book if you wanted to. And then there are some harder sheets as well. There are also some shop price cards, so you can do some adding with coins. Choose a card, see how much it is, see if you can find the coins for that. So there's lots of activities to do today. Have a look in the folder, see what you can find, and I shall see you again tomorrow. Bye everyone. Bye.